Hello Trades. This video is a continuation of the discussion series The Most Wanted EA. The version I use is the Most Wanted EA version 1.2. I run it on the gold ounce per US dollar and euro to US dollar pairs. For parameter preset, use default. Can you pay attention? The stop loss is very high if you use the default preset. Here I still want to see the performance of EA. Whether it can last long or not. To be exact, on February 18th, I started trading using the Most Wanted EA. In 1 month there are only 5 transactions only. This EA very rarely opens transactions. But every transaction that is opened always benefits. I export trading results data. This EA runs on MetaTrader 5. You can see here for details. As a comparison, I will also see trading results from the Most Wanted EA developer on the MQL5.com site. Deposit with just of $1,000 and a profit that produced $283 US, or about 28%. Drawdown 11.7%. And like this trading history. Trading on gold ounce per US dollar, euro to US dollar and euro to pound sterling pairs. Here the developer uses a low spread and broker types charged commission. But the transaction is closed with the profit of all. If you are interested, you can register at the broker that I have provided a description video. I also already gave an expert advisor the Most Wanted EA gratis website at tradea.com. If you are interested, you can get it for free. Okay. That's all the video about continuing trading using the Most Wanted EA. So, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this video is useful for you. You can also share this video with your friends so that many people can profit from Forex trading. Make sure you try it first on a demo account for at least 1 month or until you are sure to switch to a real account. Thank you for watching until the end.